Our 2017 IMET Open Day was a great success. Many of the people who came in at 1 o'clock were still here at 3 or 4 o'clock. So people were really engaged, and hopefully they learnt a lot. There were lots of kids here as well, and they had some excellent questions and were really enthusiastic about the work that we do.
I'm really excited that we're having the open house today. It's the first of many more, hopefully. And I just think it's a great idea to have this open house so that different people can come in from the community and learn about what IMET's doing and just get excited about science.
Today I'm going to be teaching people about diverse sharks that you might not know about, and how amazing they are. It's really good fun to be able to talk to people about the science that we do. And sometimes people come along with questions that you might have never ever thought of asking before. And suddenly we've got a whole new avenue to push our research down.
This algae can be converted into the oil. And this oil can be esterified into the biodiesel. Biodiesel, that is for our car fuel, jet fuel.
As a scientist, we do research in the lab, in the office, and it's very important also have the communication to the public. With a good science and technology, we can have a better future.
My primary research is working with Atlantic menhaden. I'm looking at the microbiome and the diet of Atlantic menhaden. I say menhaden pretty much are the most important fish that everyone knows nothing about, but yet they're very important because a lot of our products, consumer products, are made from byproducts of menhaden.
It's really important for us to open our doors to the community like this, so we can tell people about the research we do and why it's so important to fund this type of research. This impacts our environment and our overall health.
There's a lot of fascinating science going on here, but it's also science that's important for people's lives and can make great improvements to the environment, and it can make food healthier and more accessible. So this is a good message to be communicating to people, I think.